Welcome back, everybody. We have made it to Johnson City, USA, Texas, and we are at a very cool place. We have some motorcycles we're going to be looking at today, and of course we had to bring the Spider, but this is where we're at. It's kind of like a Wheels Through Time. Of the Hondas.
Oh, you did a good job.
We have the beautiful Deborah. We have your BSAs.
Grizzly Bear came to me via Alaska. A friend in Driven Springs who had it
What's
in
that?
his garage, and he said I can offer a much better home to your Grizzly Bear.
Oh, this one?
It's admired all the time.
She's reading. Things I don't do. I just come in and I'm like, hey, here you go. Look at these cool motorcycles. It'd be cool if... I don't see it. My buddy has a 75 Honda 360T. And I do not see a small Honda. I see the 450. 450 is a cool looking bike. These gas tanks. I love these gas tanks. So I'm gonna let everybody go. So, like I said, we are away from the music, so now we can show a little bit more of the bikes without getting any type of copyright hit. In Johnson City, motorcycle is the Texas Vintage Motorcycle Museum. This is an old Ford dealership, he told me. And we are in the garage part. So we were in the showroom, now we're in the garage. It's pretty cool. I don't think it's as big as Wheels Through Time by no means. But that being said, they do have some pretty righteous bikes. Some BMW. Is that an old Harley flathead? I mean, everywhere you look, you got a big old grizzly bear. And I'll just walk through here super quick. I want to see if they have my buddy's. He has a 1975 Honda 350T, but I do not see one. Got Triumph over there. Got a Harley. Electric Glide. The dear Deborah.
Hello.
She found a... What are those called that you saw up the street?
A what?
The thrift store or whatever it's called? Antique. So we're going to look at antique motorcycles, and we're going to go up the road and look at antiques. At least being on the Spider, we won't be able to really take anything, I don't think. We might be able to get something. Ooh, it's a Goosey. That's cool. And then this is cool over here too. I dig it. Okay, so I'm gonna let everybody go. I'm going to take my time and look at these motorcycles, and then we're gonna hit the road. I think we're gonna end up in Kerrville. She hasn't seen any of the damage from the flood, so here, let's get you out here. So we'll do that and then we'll head home. So I'll be back once we get down the road. Get you a little closer. I don't know how good that mic's gonna pick up, but how do you know that you made it to this antique motorcycle place in Johnson City? I think we're on Main, US 290, and I don't know the Ladybird. But this is what you're gonna see. Got a Ural. We got a little dual sport, Yami. Museum open, so that's how you know. Oh, I need to go get my helmet still. The gorgeous Deborah, she's still in there talking with Karina. So I will wait until for her to come out. I'll go and grab my helmet and we're gonna be up the road. I think we're gonna run over into Kerrville here. See you down the road, everybody.